90% of people are getting this completely wrong. You think token aggregation platforms are just API resellers. Buying tokens cheap, selling them higher, making money on the spread. Wrong. That's only the first layer. The real business is much bigger. A token aggregation platform controls 3 critical gateways in AI. First, the access layer. Once a company integrates one unified API, every AI workflow runs through the platform. Writing, coding, customer support, data analysis, automation. The deeper the integration, the harder it is to leave. Second, the billing layer. Token usage, model costs, department spending. Everything is tracked in one place. For enterprises, AI cost management isn't optional, it's essential. Third, the data layer. The platform sees real-world AI demand. Which models are growing? Which industries spend the most? Which AI applications are taking off? That data is worth far more than token margins. This is exactly how the payment industry evolved. Payments started with moving money. Then they owned transaction data. Eventually, it became digital infrastructure. AI is following the same path. As AI agents become mainstream, they'll automatically choose models, consume tokens, and complete tasks. All of it will require one unified orchestration layer and one unified settlement layer. Of course, not every platform will survive. The winners will secure model partnerships, build reliable infrastructure, stay compliant, and own the customer relationship. Here's the key takeaway. The future of token aggregation platforms isn't selling tokens. It's becoming the orchestration layer, settlement layer, and the infrastructure powering the entire AI economy. Do you believe this will become one of AI's biggest opportunities? Let me know in the comments.